Legs flexibility exercises for lower body workout. Let's do it. Exercise number 1, bear crawl. Instructions. Begin on all fours with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Lift your knees slightly off the ground, keeping a flat back. Move your right hand and left foot forward simultaneously, then alternate sides. Focus on maintaining a stable core and controlled movements. Benefits. Bear crawl engages the lower body muscles, enhancing flexibility and strength. It targets the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, promoting coordination and stability. This dynamic exercise also boosts cardiovascular fitness, making it an effective addition to your lower body workout routine. Exercise number 2, bodyweight wall squat. Instructions. Stand with your back against a wall and feet hip-width apart. Lower your body into a squat position, ensuring your knees are directly above your ankles. Hold the position, keeping your back against the wall, for 30 to 60 seconds. Focus on maintaining proper form with a straight back and engaged core. Benefits. Bodyweight wall squat primarily targets the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Holding the squat against the wall enhances isometric strength and flexibility in the lower body. This exercise contributes to improved posture, increased lower body endurance, and overall leg flexibility. Exercise number 3, forward lunge. Instructions. Step forward with your right foot into a lunge position, ensuring both knees are bent at 90 degrees. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Maintain an upright torso and engage your core throughout the movement. Benefits. Forward lunge targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. This exercise enhances lower body flexibility, especially in the hip flexors. It improves balance, stability, and coordination, making it an effective lower body workout for sculpting and toning leg muscles. Exercise number 4, high knee sprints. Instructions. Stand with feet hip-width apart and rapidly lift your knees towards your chest, alternating legs. Engage your arms in a running motion. Aim for a quick and controlled pace, focusing on driving your knees upward with each step. Benefits. High knee sprints elevate the heart rate and improve cardiovascular fitness. The rapid knee lifts engage the hip flexors, enhancing flexibility and strength in the lower body. This dynamic exercise is effective for burning calories, toning the legs, and promoting overall lower body agility. Exercise number 5, jump squat. Instructions. Start in a squat position, then explosively jump upward, extending your hips and knees. Land softly, returning to the squat position. Focus on controlled movements, ensuring proper form throughout. Benefits. Jump squat combines strength and plyometric training to enhance lower body flexibility and power. It targets the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, promoting muscle engagement and toning. Incorporating jump squats into your routine improves overall leg strength, explosiveness, and flexibility. Exercise number 6, one leg squat. Instructions. Balance on one leg and lower your body into a squat position. Keep your core engaged for stability and return to the starting position. Repeat on the other leg. Use a chair or wall for support if needed. Benefits. One-leg squat is a unilateral exercise that challenges balance and flexibility in the lower body. It targets the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, promoting strength and stability. Incorporating this exercise improves muscle imbalances, enhances overall leg flexibility, and contributes to a sculpted physique. Exercise number 7, plyo sit squat, wall. Instructions. Sit into a squat position against a wall, ensuring your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Explosively push off the wall, jumping into the air. Land softly and return to the squat position against the wall. Benefits. Plyo sit squat against the wall combines strength and plyometric elements to enhance lower body flexibility and power. It targets the quads, hamstrings, and glutes, promoting explosive strength. This exercise is effective for sculpting the legs, improving agility, and boosting overall lower body flexibility. Exercise number 8, squat. Instructions. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower your body into a squat position, keeping your chest up and knees aligned with your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Focus on a controlled descent and ascent. Benefits. The squat is a fundamental lower body exercise targeting the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. It enhances overall lower body flexibility, strength, and muscle tone. Incorporating squats into your routine contributes to improved posture, increased lower body endurance, and a sculpted lower body. Exercise number 9, stretching, boat stretch. Instructions. Sit on the floor, lift your legs, and lean back, balancing on your sit bones. Reach your arms toward your toes while keeping your back straight. Hold the stretch, feeling the elongation in your hamstrings and lower back. Benefits. Boat stretch is a targeted flexibility exercise that stretches the hamstrings and lower back. This movement promotes flexibility and relaxation in the lower body, making it an ideal cool-down exercise. Viewers will benefit from improved flexibility and reduced muscle tension in the legs after performing the boat stretch.